In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the correct way to download and install Opera Air browser on your computer. For this case, I'm using Windows computer, and that's where we are going to install this Opera Air new browser. So Opera Air is one of the best browser with a lot of enhanced features and AI capabilities that are not found in other browsers. So the first thing you need to do is to look for Opera Air browser, and it will land you to this page. We shall click on it, and then we shall open it, and here is the home page of Opera Air browser, and now we can download it from this page. So once you're here, go ahead and click on download Opera Air, and kindly note the website. It is www.opera/air. Here we have the Windows version. Just go ahead and click on it, and here we go. It has been downloaded, so it's time to go ahead and install. So I'll double click on it to install. And here is where you need to take attention. Before you accept and install, go ahead and click on these options. And then you have to choose whether you want to import bookmarks and data from your default browsers. I'll leave it unchecked. We also have other features, such as if you want to help improve Opera by sending feature usage information. We have also automatically send crash reports to Opera, and also run when my computer starts. I don't want it to open immediately my computer starts. Then go ahead and tap on accept and install. Now in this next step, go ahead and click on configure in settings. And we have here quite a number of data information you have to accept or decline. So which data do you want this browser to collect? For my case, I'll uncheck some and leave some as they are. And then once you are done, go ahead and confirm your choices, and then the installation process will begin. So it usually takes some few seconds, and then it will be done. Would you like to pin Opera Air browser to your taskbar? At the moment, no. It's time to start. So let's go ahead and launch our browser, and here it is. So I'll double click on it to launch. And here we go, our browser has been launched. So from here, you can begin interacting with some of the coolest features that this browser comes with, such as the Explore Boost and the browsing feature. And now from here, you can begin customizing your browser with anything that you want. Now, as you can see, it is a cool browser. It is light and it is very fast. So that's how you download and install Opera Air on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.